12-in-1 oven, and it's 2 ovens in one. There is a small oven up top. There's a larger oven down below. This will do so many things. The top oven functions will include broil, toast, bagel, bake, reheat, and keep warm. The bottom oven functions include whole roast, air fry, convection bake, pizza, and dehydrate. Let's back up to air fry.
Yeah.
I use it for air fry a lot.
Oh, yes.
Those puggets, those chicken nuggets that are coated with pork rind crumbs, I make in this oven a lot.
So yummy.
So good. And this oven has smart finish.
Yes.
Where everything can be done at the same time, even though it's got different cooking times and different temperatures. And you're not going to mingle flavors or taste between the two ovens.
Flavor seal technology keeps them separate.
Now, the voice you're hearing that is not mine belongs to Kinsey Swanhart. And this is Kinsey. Kinsey is the director of the Ninja Test Kitchen.
Yeah.
Nice to have you back,
Good
friend.
to see you.
Nice to see
So
you as
happy to
well.
be back.
She is also a wife and a mother of 2 littles. And she is a busy, busy lady.
Oh, yes. And
This
just like you, I'm
is-
using this every night to solve mealtime.
I
okay?
love this oven. Now, when you work in the donut shop, it takes an impressive donut to turn your head.
Yes.
I can pick literally from any air fryer or quick countertop oven that we
Yeah.
have. This is the one I chose because it gave me so many options.
Yes.
It gave me options to use both ovens, one oven. I can do whatever kind of cooking I'm doing, and I can do it faster because this is convection cooking.
It is.
This is lovely. Now, you got a roasted chicken
Yep.
with vegetables. I see little halves of green balls of death.
Yeah, it could be carrots too,
It could
David.
be carrots or it could be asparagus or green beans. And then is this
Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese.
Oh, yes. Oh,
Yes.
yes. So we've
So
got
we
the
can say
mac
that.
and cheese on the top. We used our pie dish. You know, you can use any oven-safe dishes here, but you get that beautiful ooey gooey mac and cheese, nice and steamy. But because of the heat on the top, that even browning, you get that beautiful, delicious, crispy topping, okay? And then with the chicken, this is about a 4.5-pound chicken here. So you can either do this for dinner, or if it's just 2 people at home, do this and then slice it up and use it throughout the week.
How long
okay?
did it take to do the chicken?
Just under an hour.
Just under an
Yeah.
hour. And you can
And
cook
it did both
them-
of this at the
and
same
you
time.
can use Smart Finish because maybe the mac and cheese has to cook only about 35 minutes,
Yep.
right? This is quick, it's easy, it's simple, it's dinner.
Yes.
Now we have this in stainless steel and we have black.
2
I'm
colors.
told the stainless steel is very, very popular. It also cooks faster than a regular oven.
65% faster.
65%
yes.
faster.
So dinner is going to be on the table quick.
It's a
hot, ready, and
lot of
delicious.
fast cooking, and it's important to know that this is going to come together with all the extras that you need, the air fry basket, the roasting trays,
Yep.
everything. Are they over here?
Yes,
oh,
they
they're
are.
over here. All right. Now, here is the black, and here is the stainless steel. That stainless steel has been very popular. Your 500 already ordered in this show in the stainless steel.
Oh, wow.
All right, now, here is the startup guide and recipes. In addition to that, you get a drip tray. This drip tray is awesome.
Fantastic. Yep.
And you get 2 roasting trays. You get 2 regular racks and an air fry basket.
And it all
Come on over
stores
to the air fry
inside.
basket. Don't forget the air fry basket. There's the air fry basket. That air fry basket I use a lot.
Me too.
This is all coming together with free shipping and handling. Now, let's talk dollars and cents. Ordinarily priced at $329, we are $129.02 less. But wait, there's more, as they say, because it's free ship. So you're saving an extra $22.22 on shipping and handling. This is a small footprint. It more than earns its place on your countertop because it does 12 things in one oven. There are 2 ovens to start with, but it does 12 functions and cooks 65% faster than a regular oven.
Exactly. Here what you're seeing is that double oven. True to its name, you're getting 2 ovens in the space of one. At the top, we call this our rapid oven. This cooks quickly. It's kind of like a toaster. Then down below, we've got our air fry oven or convection oven with that heat and the fan. The flex door allows you to cook different foods at different times, but you can actually have them all complete at the same time. And due to flavor seal technology, we're not getting any crossover. No contamination of flavors and smells. Your salmon won't taste like cookies, although I think I'd be okay with that if my salmon tasted like cookies. But your cookies will not taste like salmon, which is more important. You can bake, broil, roast, toast. Really, the options are endless. It is going to do 12 different things. It will earn its space on your countertop. And if you want to use both ovens, go ahead. If you only want to use one oven, that's fine. You can cook a lot
This is the lady after my own heart. She puts bacon on mac and
I know,
cheese.
right? We're more is more today, okay? More is more with the oven. You can cook more food, but also more is more with the food. We did some bacon to top off the mac and cheese.
I wanted to point out that this is 2 ovens. If you just want to do the top oven, you press this button. Now, I own this oven at home.
Yes.
And I use it all the time. This is the upper oven. If you decide you want to open the whole shooting match, then do it like that. That's the air fry basket inside there. This is hot as a match. I won't touch it with my bare hand. It's important to know everything is quick, it's simple, and you have
easy.
all your top oven features here, your bottom oven features here. You have that smart finish that allows you to have everything done at the same time. Now, it will hold something in one of the ovens if what's in the other oven has to cook longer, right?
Exactly, exactly. Let's say you're doing 60 minutes in one, so an hour and 30 minutes in the other. It will wait to start cooking until both are down to 30 in the one that takes less time. So everything is hot, ready to the table at the same time. And David, as a busy mom of 2, okay, the last thing I have time for is that mealtime equation of when do I put this in? When do I do that? This saves me from all of that work, and I get to enjoy dinner with my family. And a great example of that is what I have in here. In the top, I have my adult meal, okay? I've got the salmon and asparagus. This is a great meal for my husband and I.
Yum.
Do an extra set, okay? You could do 4. You could probably do up to 8 fillets here if you wanted to. Great for mealtime with my husband.
It could be great for a dinner party, right?
Great for a dinner party. But you know what? The kids aren't eating this, okay? No matter how many times I try, they're not doing the fish, they're not doing the greens. And usually what that means is mom ends up having a cold meal because I have to go back and I have to figure out what I'm making for
Chicken
the kids.
fingers and fries.
Chicken fingers and fries, exactly. So here I've got those veggies, okay? Gorgeous with my fish. But oh wait, David, I thought ahead. And in my second oven, I did chicken fingers and fries, okay?
Because she knows her littles very well. And she knows that they're
always
not going to
comes.
eat that salmon and that asparagus. They're going to eat chicken fingers and fries or chicken nuggets and fries,
Yes,
right?
exactly.
So I at least cook them a little smarter and do them in the air fry basket.
Exactly, 75% less oil with the air fry basket. I love this air fry basket. I know you use it for your air frying as well because you get all this surface area. You don't have to toss like those drawer air fryers. So I love that it cooks quickly, it cooks evenly, and I just set it and I walk away. I help with homework or whatever. I come back and I've got a full meal made ready to go.
You heard me use a phrase called convection cooking. That's basically what air frying is.
Yes.
It's a smaller cavity or a smaller area. There's a fan that sends superheated air around the food. That's why the air fry baskets have holes in them.
Yes.
So the air can travel through the holes and bathe the food in all of that hot air. Then you get crispy, crunchy results without all that extra oil and fat, right?
Guilt-free.
That is what, oh, that looks delightful. And I don't care how old you are, that looks really good. I know the salmon and the asparagus is probably better for me, but that looks really good.
I know.
Hey, let's also remind everybody that this comes in 2 great colors.
Yes.
So I'm going to go back over and I'm going to
Fantastic.
talk about our colors again. We have the all black, but if you're after the stainless, it has been wildly popular today. It's the color I have at home. I'll go ahead and, I mean, my major
Me too.
appliances in my kitchen are black,
Yep.
but I went with the stainless.
So
Because
pretty.
I aspire to stainless steel appliances one day when I grow up, right? Now, beside that, we've got this drip tray. Now, this drip tray is really important if you're using things like, let's say, some avocado oil. I'll use sometimes in my air fry basket. I'll give my little puggets a spritz, and it's quick and easy. And then 2 roasting pans, 2 of your racks, and then 1 air fry basket. All of this would be $329 regular QVC price. We're saving you $129.02 today. But wait, we're saving you more because we're going to also save you $22.22 on free ship. How much does it cost to ship this? 0, zip, nada, nothing. If you apply for a Q card, we instantly take $50 off your price. 50. This now is a countertop convection 12-in-1 double oven that you can get for under $150. If you apply for and get approved for a Q card, we instantly take $50 off. And the shipping is free. Did I mention that? Free. And lowest price we found. This is your day. This is your moment. Time will judge you on what you do right now. Now, if you've tapped your app and or you've made a phone call and you put this in your shopping cart, let me encourage you to check out right now. because with the speed with which that stainless is going, here's what we do. If you don't take action on it after a short amount of time, we release it back into inventory. People think, oh, well, it's in my shopping cart, it's safe. It's only safe there for a short amount of time. And then if you don't take action on it, we do something sneaky and we release it back in inventory. And then anybody who is ready to make a purchase is able to buy it up or buy it out from under you.
Yeah.
Yeah, which is probably more to the point. So it's important to know if you're wanting to cook faster, if you're wanting to cook a variety of things, if you're cooking food for the adults in one oven and something for the kids in the other, it can all be done at the same time thanks to Smart Finish.
Yes.
This is quick, it's easy. I love this oven.
It's so easy to use, David.
Now,
I
you
love
got
that when you get this
asparagus
home,
and-
asparagus and some mushrooms. On
Mushrooms.
the top. And I know you were just talking about these. I saw you eating them. They're so good.
Family Farms.
The Family Farm bacon wrapped
Chicken
stuffed
breast.
chicken breast. Gorgeous. Fantastic in an air fryer, by the way. So if you just bought these, you want to get this. Okay?
Throw this in your oven that you're buying from Ninja.
Yeah.
And oh my word.
Oh yeah, that bacon gets
So
crispy,
good.
but because of the convection, David, when you're using air fry, it crisps the outside, but it locks in that juice in the inside, so it's juicy and moist and delicious. Okay, let's show you how easy this is to use. Because when you
Please.
get it home, you're gonna plug it in, and then you're just gonna push a button. So on the top, you're gonna choose what you're doing. I did veggies, so yeah, let's bake. We'll do that at 350, okay? And then we'll do that for, let's just do 15 minutes, perfect. On the bottom, because this takes more time, they're nice, thick chicken breasts. We're gonna air fry it. We're gonna do that at 400 to get that bacon nice and crispy, and we're gonna do that for 30 minutes, okay? So the top is gonna take 15 minutes, the bottom takes 30. When I hit Smart Finish, turns on the brains, okay? And I hit start, it's going to hold the top.
Well, first of all,
It preheats.
It preheats.
Yes.
And it doesn't take away from your time to preheat. I love this feature.
I know, right?
Because when I put something in there frozen and I hit the required temperature and
Yep.
time, it preheats first.
Yes.
So you hear it, it'll say pre for preheat.
You
Now
hear it
here
turn
it's
on.
holding the top oven because that's not going to take as long as what's down below.
Yep.
Once it's finished preheating, it's going to start cooking.
Yes.
That 30-minute timer is going to start, but it doesn't start until it's to temperature. This is an oven with a brain. Something in my kitchen has to have a brain. It's not me, so it's got to be the oven. And I love this appliance because it takes up so little room and does so
Yeah.
much. There are 2 ovens here. Plus it does 12 jobs in one machine. It more than earns its place on your countertop.
Yeah.
Miss Jen, how many ordered in this hour? 1,200 in this show have been
Wow.
ordered. 5,500 for the day, 1,200 in this show. The wildly popular choice is the stainless, is that right? But we're much more limited in the black, I'm told.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
More popular in the stainless, more limited in the black. So do you have black major appliances? I do. I could go with either.
Yeah.
I wouldn't care if it were purple with yellow polka dots.
It still earns its place.
It does a great job.
Yeah.
And when you can choose from any air fryer that we have at QVC, and I chose this one. And this is the one that's on my countertop right now. And if I'm going to take up space on my countertop, it better earn its keep.
Oh, yes.
And it does. I use it. I mean, I don't even turn my big oven on anymore. I just use this oven because everything fits in it.
It does. And again, whether you are just 2 people at home or a family, you're going to use this day in and day out. But then if you need that extra space when you're entertaining, you get that extra oven, okay? So you're not sacrificing here. You can use one oven during the week, and then when you have company over, or when you're entertaining the holiday season, you get that extra oven, okay? Even during the holidays when you're using the big oven for the bird, okay? Because maybe you're doing a 12, 14, 16-pound turkey. That's not going to fit in here. But this is perfect for the sides, because you know what happens at my house, David?
What's that?
My mom is so kind. She always brings an appetizer. My aunt is so kind. She always brings a side. You know what they don't think about?
How to heat it up.
How to heat it up, okay? They're always like, I hope there's some space in the oven.
Where do you put dinner rolls?
Never space in the oven.
Maybe you've got a spring family get-together.
Yes, yes.
Maybe it's Easter, maybe it's a special anniversary, maybe it's a birthday, maybe it's a graduation, and you're looking for a way to cook extra stuff. I mean, where do you put the dinner rolls? I mean, bang,
Your
bang,
Ninja
bang,
double
in
oven.
here, in the double oven. Now, if I want to open just the top,
Yep.
I can cook David's cookies in here.
Oh, yes. We've got cookies in the top on that non-stick tray, and look at this, super non-stick. This is hand washed, David, just want to call that out, but that non-stick is fantastic. And then in the bottom, what did we cook with our cookies? Tongue twister. We did some fish in the bottom, and you may be saying, well, I would never cook